Have you guys ever read some of the marketing material for these bowling balls? This is the Rockstar Amp. So it's amped up, it's a rockin' ball. Check this out. I mean, you're gonna have a mosh pit of power in your hands, pure rock and roll, and it's designed to make every shot a chart topping performance. What is going on here? You're gonna wanna watch this video, Rockstar Amped. All right, everyone, John Struckman here with Pro Approach Bowling. Today we have the Rockstar Amped. So this is the stronger, more angular version of the original Rockstar. If you haven't seen that video, all you have to do is click right here. You can see the Rockstar video we already did, which is a smoother version. And now we have the amped up version, the Rockstar Amped. It's a Nano Pearl cover stock. So those pearl covers are gonna get the ball further down the lane, retain more energy, and basically go more sideways through the pins. So if you're bowling on something that's drier, or your league house shot that's getting a little dry, you may want to switch to a ball like this. There's just so much information on Storm's website and also on proapproachbowling.com about all these different bowling balls. The RG of 2.48 and differential of 0.50. If you guys don't know what that means, we'll make a video about it. Just comment below, let us know. We'd love to make some more content for you guys. So please let us know if you'd love to see more about radius gyration, differential, and layouts. Now let me get into that layout. Our Spectre Pro Shop app that we use here at Pro Approach Bowling is a really fantastic tool that most pro shops are hopefully using. And if you're not, this is a great tool. You can log all of the different layouts for your customers, and we love using that here to help organize how many spec sheets that we have in the shop. So the Rockstar Amp that I drilled is a 60 by 5 by 40 dual angle layout. And what that means is that 5-inch pin to cap distance is going to get the ball further down the lane, save the energy, and that 40-degree back angle number is going to have the ball be a little smoother down lane. But because this ball is so sideways, meaning that it's creating a lot of down lane reaction, man, it's going to have a lot of hook already. So I've already bowled a few shots with this last week in league. I bowled pretty well. I'm really liking this ball. Now let's go take a look and bowl with the Rockstar Amped. This guy makes me bowl a lot.
That's going in the video.
All right, bowlers, we're out here on the lanes. Rockstar Amp. We're going to amp it up right here with Rockstar Amp. Get a couple really cool shots. I know this one's going to hook a lot more down lane because I've already thrown it in our league last week. We're going to film the video right here today. This thing hooks a lot down lane, so check this out. Oh, by the way, we're bowling on leftover house shot. Everything's favorite ball. You see? It hooked a lot down lane. Let's move a little bit over because the lanes are a little drier right now. I'm going to shift everything a zone to my left, basically an entire dot. Get everything all situated, and we're going to start striking. Okay, the one that is let's get in the bottom. They have that strong down lane finish I was talking about. Really turned the corner nice. You guys seen the colors on this thing? Pretty cool looking ball. All the way through the pins, baby. See. I almost got away with that. I almost got away with it. Yeah. Okay, so a little tighter in the pocket. That last one was way too far right. This one, right in that sweet zone. Got the ball right down the lane where I needed it to break play. Nice motion towards the pocket. So again, with that 5-inch pin to positive access point, you guys can see that the pin is more so over the middle finger. So I moved this over to create a little more length and a little more down lane motion. So trying to get the ball further down the lane, have it come sideways off the end of the friction. All right, another strike. Now let's take a look at the Rockstar, the original. That ball's gonna hook earlier because it is that sanded surface. So it's gonna hook earlier, probably be a little smoother than the Rockstar. All right, I fell off my shot a little bit there. We're gonna get that Rockstar going under the pocket too, but again, you guys are gonna see that it's gonna hook a lot earlier. So here's the original Rockstar. I'd have to go back, take a look at my layout, but you guys can see here that the pin is directly over my ring finger. So by moving that pin further to the right, it's gonna short my pin to positive access point distance and make the ball hook earlier just because of the layout. Not even understanding that the ball itself is going to hook more, and the cover stock and all that stuff too. Remember, the layout helps your ball motion about 10%, so they say. But fine tuning that layout, make this ball even hook more. Let's get a few more shots. So nice even motion, right? The Rockstar, nice and even, nice and smooth. So another shot like I did with the Rockstar Amped, got it a little bit tighter the head pin on purpose to see if it would hold pocket, and it did. Smooth reaction, a little tighter the head pin, got a strike. Now let's go back to the Rockstar Amped. Pens go, oh, let's hold. Oh, it's got away with that one. I hooked a lot. Oh, I'm Brooklyn. Dude, I got it to the friction. It hooked a lot. Okay, let's get in the pocket, and then we'll go back into the pro shop, going strong, and finish our rope. And I would finish on that one. Really liking the Rockstar Amp, how strong it is down lane and it's saving energy. Getting the ball down the lane is super important to increase the skid phase. Just have that nice, really strong roll on the back end. All right, now we're gonna go back to the bowling store. We've got another strike. Let's finish this review. All right, we are back here with the Rockstar Amped Pro Approach Bowling at Oak Tree. What do you guys think? The ball is sideways, meaning it is getting through the oil and really taking off down lane. It's a really awesome ball. So if you're bowling on a drier condition, your local league house shots, and you need a ball that's amped up, that's getting down the lane and hooks, the Rockstar Amped is the way to go. I really love what this is for me. I'm really liking this ball. So if you haven't ordered one yet, all you have to do is go to proapproachbowling.com or just come into one of our pro shop locations at Cowbowl, Del Rio, Bolium, or Oak Tree. You guys are going to want to get your Rockstar Amp today. We'll see you all soon.